introduce myself. My name is Siti Mulyaningsi. I'm a student at SMK BM Al Ikhlas. My major, Business Management. And I will tell you the story of Snow White. Once upon a time, there lived a queen who desperately wanted a child. One day, while she was sewing by the window, she saw snow falling. Because the window was open, she pricked her finger with a needle, and blood dripped onto the snow. Then she prayed, "May I have a child whose skin is as white as snow, whose lips is as red as blood, and whose hair is as black as the wood of this window." Not long after, she gave birth a very beautiful baby girl and named her Snow White. But unfortunately, the queen died after giving birth. The king remarried a beautiful woman and evil heart. The now queen had a magic mirror and every day asked, "Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is most beautiful in the land?" And the mirror answered, "You are the most beautiful queen." But when Snow White was a teenager, her beauty surpassed the queen. Then the queen asked again, and the mirror answered, "The most beautiful now is Snow White." Because jealousy and anger, the queen ordered huntsmen to take Snow White to the forest and kill her. But Hunter called Bear to see the innocent girl and let her run away, told him not return to the palace. As proof to the queen, he broke the heart of an animal as a trick. Snow White ran deep into the forest until she found a small house. There, she saw all kinds of small furniture. She was tired and fell asleep on one of the small beds. The house turned out to belong to the dwarfs who lived there. They were keen and let Snow White live with them, as long as she would help look after the house. However, the queen asked the mirror again, and the mirror answered that Snow White left and hid in the dwarf's house. The queen was furious and disguised herself as an old woman. She broke a poisoned apple and came to the dwarf's house with Snow White alone. She persuaded Snow White to eat the apple. As soon as Snow White bit him, she immediately fell unconscious. When dwarfs returned home, they found a Snow White lying down. They were very sad and thought that Snow White had died. Because her face was still very beautiful, they did not bury her, but instead kept her in a glass coffin. Sometime later, the prince came from another country. He saw Snow White. He fell in love at first sight. He kissed Snow White's hand and gently. Suddenly, the apple that struck in Snow White's throat came out, and she came back to life. The prince and Snow White returned to the palace and were married in a grand celebration. The evil queen found out that Snow White was alive and became queen. She was very angry. However, she eventually accepted the consequences of his crimes and never bothered again. The prince and Snow White lived happily ever after. Moral message: true beauty comes from a good heart, and barely brings the extraction, and goodness always wins in the end. I apologize for any mistakes, especially in pronunciation, because I am still in the learning stage. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye.